Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the pound dollar is still very choppy. I mean, it looks extremely corrective. All these waves are very overlapping, so it still looks extremely corrective. And until we actually get a break of this structure up here, all the higher time frames basically are in a downtrend, which means that we still should be primarily looking for shorts. Now, don't get me wrong, there probably was a pretty good opportunity to go long today, but I still am watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If we do get a nice break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I personally would definitely still take it as a short. On the other hand, if it just keeps on pushing past these fib levels, never gives you that engulfing move down, and eventually goes up and breaks this structure, that is what's going to turn me into a buyer longer term as a swing trader. I am a swing trader. I really don't even trade the short time frame, so I will either wait for another short, or I will wait for a break of structure to start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.